Hello, welcome to Mitel Technologies. Today we're going to talk about the Q50 watch, the kids watch. It comes in a cute little box like this, well packed. Here, this one is a cute pink color. It comes in different colors. Also, this is a flexible silicone band. Looks pretty sturdy for little kids to use and wear. The caveat in this one is the insertion of the SIM card. So we need a little adult help to put the SIM card in this one. So the box comes with the manual, a little tiny little screwdriver like this, and it's charging. To make it a little easier, so there are actually 4 screws. I took away 2 already, so 2 are here, and I'm going to show you how to take out the other 2 because it's a little tedious to do. So you just unscrew it little by little. Flip it down here, and then the other one. See? I'm going to flip it this way. It's kind of easier. There. Just gonna flip it, and then the cover just kind of comes out on its own. So we're just gonna lift the cover up here. You want to be really careful when you take away this battery part because the wire is still connected. So you want to lift it a tiny little bit here, and then you hold it, and then you put this down because you don't want to rip this little wire here. So you want to do it very slowly. So you're going to do it this way. Then the SIM card is tucked in here. If you see, if you flip it, it won't fall off. So to insert it, let's try to take it out first. So you hear this little click, you move it a little to the left, and then you lift it up. Then you put the SIM card here. So if you have the SIM card, this shiny section here goes down here. Look at the size of it. It's not the smallest. It's a little bit in the bigger side. It will go in here, and then you press it down and move it to the right. When you hear that click, then you know that it's not going to come off. Then you put it back here, and you put this cover back, and you need to screw all the 4. Not going to do that right now. All the watches come with a special code that you need to register when you register on the app. So I'm going to turn it this way. I'm going to pressure on the back so that I don't have to put the screw in. So to register, you have to download this app, the app, the Set Tracker. This is how it looks. And then once you download and install it, you have to click on the register button. Registration will show up. You register your email and a password, and then you'll have a message on the watch. So to show you the functions, I'm going to flip it on the right side here. You're going to turn on the phone. Okay, turn it on, the phone, and I'm going to show you how to call first. So first, let's see the buttons. So on this right side, you have an on and off button. That's what you can use to accept calls, and you can turn off the watch only if the network is low. Otherwise, it doesn't turn off. And then the second button here, label number 1, it will show you. When you click on it, it shows you an ad, and I'm not quite sure what that does yet, so I can't figure it out yet. And then the number 2 button shows you the phone book, so you can add as many people on the phone book here. The way you can control this watch is mostly by the app, so you can add contacts, send messages, and change settings through the app. So most of the work is done through the app, and it's made very easy for the kids to use. On the other side, you have the SOS button. So if you press it once, you can listen to messages, and if you press and hold it, it sends an SOS message to the phone. We're gonna do all that now. This side is the charging section, so you can use this connection or cable that they give here to charge through a USB, so it's easy to charge everywhere else. This is just the band that fell off. Okay, so we're gonna turn that on again here, and we're gonna test the functions now. So let's call first. I'm gonna do the calling. So we're gonna call the phone here. So it's ringing over here and it's ringing here. So Tom 2 is calling, and the way you accept it is with the SOS button. So you can just press the SOS button once and you can accept the call. And you can use the on and off to cancel it. Okay. Then we'll go back to the app here. I can show you here on messages. So if you go to the chat section